Are you ready to take control of your TikTok experience and manage your digital footprint with confidence? Let's dive into the world of TikTok's Now Memories, a feature that's designed to capture real-time moments and keep your content fresh and authentic. But what if you want to delete some of those memories and curate your profile to reflect only what you truly want to share? Whether you're streamlining your presence or simply organizing your favorite moments, knowing how to delete Now Memories on TikTok is a powerful skill in today's fast-paced social media landscape. First, let's understand what TikTok Now Memories really are. TikTok Now is a feature inspired by the real-time sharing trend, encouraging users to post a photo or video using both their front and back cameras at a random moment each day. These posts offer a candid snapshot of your life, giving your followers a glimpse into your daily routine, interests, and personality. Over time, these Now Memories accumulate, painting a vibrant picture of who you are. But, as with any social media content, sometimes you want to take a step back, reevaluate, and decide which pieces truly represent you. Deleting Now Memories is a straightforward process, but it's essential to approach it thoughtfully. Begin by opening your TikTok app and navigating to your profile. Here, you'll find a dedicated section for your Now posts, a timeline of your spontaneous moments. Scroll through your memories and identify the posts you wish to remove. Maybe it's a picture you snapped in a rush, a video that doesn't reflect your current style, or simply a memory you'd rather keep private. Tap on the specific Now memory you want to delete. Once it's open, look for the three-dot menu or the options icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will bring up a list of actions you can take for that post. Select Delete or Remove from the menu. TikTok will likely prompt you to confirm your choice. After all, once a memory is deleted, it's gone for good. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, your profile is refreshed, and your digital story is a little more curated. But why stop at just deleting memories? This is your opportunity to actively shape your digital presence and showcase the very best of who you are. Social media is your stage, so make sure every post, every memory, and every interaction is a reflection of your unique voice and vision. At Famety, we believe in empowering you to take charge of your online journey. Whether you're managing your audience, boosting engagement, or simply organizing your content, we're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, your TikTok profile is more than just a collection of posts. It's your personal brand, your story, your connection to the world. By carefully selecting which memories to keep and which to delete, you maintain control over your narrative and ensure that your online presence truly represents you. If you ever need help optimizing your profile, increasing your followers, or enhancing your engagement, Famety is here with an endless array of services designed to elevate your social media game. And if you run into any questions or challenges, our live support team is always ready to guide you. We know that managing your digital life can be overwhelming, but with Famety by your side, you'll have the tools, tips, and expertise you need to succeed. So go ahead, delete those Now memories that no longer serve you, amplify the moments that matter, and continue building a TikTok profile that stands out in the crowd. Social media is about evolution, growth, and authenticity. Make your mark, tell your story, and let Famety help you shine brighter than ever before.